You can expect a lot from the 2019 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, front fog lights, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.